kung naghahanap kayo ng spinning reel na maganda gamitin for ultralight fishing and light game fishing, and at the same time, pwede gamitin sa dagat, you might want to consider this spinning reel from Houghton. So this is the Houghton Polar Night Carbon na spinning reel. So ang hawak-hawak ko ngayon is 500 size, but it also comes in the 800 and the 1000 size. And tingnan nyo naman yung kanyang sizing. It really tells you na compatible siya for light game and ultralight fishing. Itong hawak-hawak ko na 500 size, yung kanyang specifications, it's got 5+1 na bearings. Yung kanyang drag capacity is 6 kilograms. And the gear ratio is 5.1 to 1. Ang gusto ko sa reel na to is yung kanyang color scheme. Alam naman natin, Houghton loves to release yung kanilang mga colorful na reels. And so far, ito lang yung nakita ko na napakaganda ng color scheme because it's got a matte black na color. Reminds me a lot of the Casking Zephyr. So aside from the beautiful color scheme, napaka-smooth ng kanyang gearing. Yung tunog ng kanyang drag, pakinggan natin. And the water resistance. So it's got water resistant sealing sa ilalim ng spool, and yung kanyang mismong drag cap, it's got a sealing to protect those drag washers. And tingnan nyo naman yung design ng kanyang screw-in handle. Very watertight na design. So yes, for the price, naka-screw-in handle na siya. Very impressive.